Songo na makina songo ni Vanua Veiqaraqaravi na singa nikuwa na sosolei avia tukuna.
Olbina, my name is Semasana Wasoni. I hail from the village of Kese in the district of Navit in the province of Mba. I share maternal links to the village of Vanuaso, in the district of Vanuaso, in the island of Ngau in the province of Lomebiti.
Arnayandra, my name is Vasinai Songo. I'm from Nayulevu, Toke Malora, with maternal links to Makandro Matuku in Lao.
Yes, I attended the Veiqaraqaravi workshop to increase my awareness on traditional protocols, not only the traditional protocols in itself, but also the entirety of tradition in itself. Like for instance, the relationships between two provinces and whatnot, and the links that people share from one place to another.
I was interested in, I saw the post yesterday, and I thought something came over me and I was interested. I think it was a feeling, I got a feeling that, that I was supposed to attend. It's inspiring really, how you go back and you see that all the things you've learned your whole life has more to it. And there's other things, whereas you just depending on your own culture and your own knowledge.
My takeout from this workshop is we might think that we know a lot, but then again, education keeps going, as we all know. And for me, myself personally, there's more to know in tradition if you think you've known it all. Thank you.
I think I would be the part where the guy taking us through everything said something about Veiqaraqaravi and Veitambani or Veitavutaki. I didn't know those two were different terms. I thought they were all the same, and how he actually broke it down into minor details. That could have been my takeout, and I think I look forward into coming back next week and learning more.